wanted to try to do a what I eat in a day type of a video. I've never done one, and I think it might be interesting. Maybe. I guess you'll have to let me know. Anyway, the way that I start off every single day, basically, is by drinking a whole one of these, a whole one of these before I start eating food. I just think it's a good way to start the day. So, that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, my breakfast for today is going to be some homemade granola. You can see it in there. It's actually very low. I have to make more. And I do have some homemade almond milk. I've been trying to do that because, you know, homemade is, you know, cool and whatnot. So that's what I'm doing for breakfast. It'll probably be about, I would say, half of a cup of granola. Maybe a little bit more, maybe 3/4 a cup of granola. But it's delicious, and I will put in the description where I got that recipe from, because it's awesome, and I make it all the time. I've been making it ever since I found it. I've been making it like all the time. So that tells you it's delicious. All right, time to dig in. Here it is. I'm not gonna spill it like I did the ramen noodles in the ramen video. Let's see how it tastes. I mean, it tasted great yesterday, so it's probably gonna taste great today. Oh yeah. You can't go wrong with this. It's delicious and nutritious. I also wanted to mention that everyone might be seeing some really interesting hairdos on me over the next little while. That's because I'm trying to get through this slump of growing out my pixie haircut. So today it's, it's bobby pinned back. It's kind of, it has like a 90s feel to it. That's okay. It's fine. Anyway, cheers to breakfast. Skylar, did you make me some food?
Yes, it's not poison, I promise.
It's not poison. He's about to...
Just make sure you eat it all.
He's about to dump it. We've got Thai peanut sauce with broccoli and rice. And obviously you can see that there's quite a bit of broccoli there.
Half a pound to be exact.
Half a pound of broccoli, baby. And it's gonna be delicious. So the Thai peanut sauce and broccoli and rice is honestly one of our go-to recipes that we make probably a couple of times a week. So I know it's gonna be delicious, and I highly recommend trying it out. On another note, Skylar and I are pretty much obsessed with Frank's Red Hot, and we will be putting some of this on there to add a little bit of spice. If you don't want to add like a Frank's Red Hot, but you still want a little bit of spice, then you can do a little bit of extra red pepper flakes, and it'll be delicious. But for now, it's time to dig into this delicious dish. Wow, say that 10 times. I also wanted to say that I did have a very small little baby handful of cashews. So that was a little bit of a snack in between. Want to say hi?
Hello.
All right, here's your first bite. Oh, the cat's meowing. Here we go.
Oh yeah. Skylar, you did such a good job on the peanut sauce.
Oh yeah, soak that in. All right, everybody, here is the dinner time, what I eat. It is basically, what, a tostada bowl? Burrito bowl? Tostada bowl. We have black beans, corn, rice with some Frank's Red Hot, of course, some lettuce, and some guac, and some toasted
Cashew cream.
shells. Oh, and then yeah, all right, there's cashew cream. This is clearly a little bit of a higher fat meal, but it's cool. You know, it's cool. I actually feel like my body does really, really well with a little bit more fat. It's weird. I tend to actually lose more weight when eating more healthy whole fats. And that's how I lost weight the first time. So anyway, there's that for you. Pretty exciting. It's gonna taste delicious and I'm excited to dig in. Skylar helped prepare most of it, which was awesome. And yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a taste of the squash. Amazing as usual. Skylar is so good at making guacamole. Anyway, it's been fun to record what I eat in a day. I hope that you got some inspiration from it and possibly realized that, hey, it's really actually pretty darn simple. And I can't wait to make another one. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the below. Leave a comment in the below? What the heck? Leave a comment below and tell me what you thought of the video, or if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see me eat, what I eat in a day. We'll see you later.